এলো ঈদুল আজহা এলো, এলো রে কুরবানি। এলো ঈদুল আজহা এলো, এলো রে কুরবানি। সবার মনে জেগেছে তাই, সবার মনে জেগেছে তাই, ত্যাগের সুরবানি। এলো ঈদুল আজহা এলো, এলো রে কুরবানি। এলো ঈদুল আজহা এলো, এলো রে।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Eid al-Adha, the festival of sacrifice, will gather to celebrate one of the most significant days in the Islamic calendar. These blessed days will remind us the solid faith of Prophet Ibrahim Islam was willing to sacrifice his beloved son in the obedience to the command of Almighty Allah. His devotion was rewarded and his death became a timeless symbol of submission, trust and sacrifice. And Eid al-Adha teaches us that a solid faith requires sincerity, to be patient, and a heart ready to give up what we love most for the sake of Almighty Allah. It is not only just for the act of Qurbani, it is also for sharing, caring, and uplifting those in need. Thank you, bye-bye.